Hey everybody, today we are going to make this jumper suit. The Busy Bee is a place where you can create anything you can imagine with a flick of a pen, a draw of a pencil, or a sew of a machine, and a powers of a tool. Let's get busy and be little bees. P.S. Don't forget, busy bees can cook and clean up after themselves, no matter how old we are. So come with me and let's see what we can imagine today at the Busy Bee. I have found part two in this mess, and it's a fairly easy snip thing I can do, I think. And hopefully I'll be able to fold this up. That. And I'll fold it back up. And we got number two. I'm going to have to go iron it and I'll be back. Okay, found part two. I'm going to use it now. This says it needs to be on a center fold. Now this one you have a choice. Okay, you don't have a choice. It has to be. You want two of these, one of these. So what we're going to do with this one is we're just going to set this one aside right now because we can't use that here. But we can use this one here. Doing this one, you're just going to have to kind of attach the yellow around a little bit and attach the bottom here. If I had shorter pins, I'd probably do the sides there, but I don't. So, and this one says cut 2 too. I'm really too close to the edge there. Actually, no, let's put this in the middle. We'll cover both sides. And let's put the other one up here. And one right here. Now this one says it wants you to cut 4. So we'll put this right down here for right now. And then we'll touch another second set. Now remember I told you this folding line, this long line before in a previous video, what that's for. It says center. So if you only have enough here, you can bend it over like that and put it on the folding line. That's okay. You'd have to do that 4 times. I'm only going to have to do it twice. That out. Now, we have those pieces there. These are both center line pieces, so we'll have to get one piece that we're going to bend. I would have liked to use this. Not going to be long enough. So what I want to do here, yeah, we're just going to stick it here at the top. No, because we have to do this. Yeah, we'll just stick this at the top. Now I could have saved more fabric by cutting this piece out. That can make a difference. Okay. We can make a Barbie doll dress or something out of this, the rest of this material, so it's fine with me. I got a whole nother piece like this. And it is a pair of old used pants anyway, so I'm not spending Ludo's money. I probably got this as either given to me or one of those donation places that allow you to have free clothes, and I picked out patterns, stuff that I liked. I do a lot of that. Go to the free box. I couldn't get rid of this stuff, so it's either I recycle it or it goes to the dumps. Because they get so many of those donations and stuff over there where we're at. We have a lot of generous people. That one hole or it's got one stain or something like that, it goes in the trash. Well, we can cut around the stains. Goodwill, they send all those to China. Hey, everybody, don't forget, thumbs up, or let me know why you didn't like the video. If you liked it and you like this type of content, let me know so I can take and make some more. Um, Basically, what this show is about is doing things that I do at home, being part of a modern family when your son and his wife and children have moved back into your home. So we do lots here. So let me know how you like it. Thank you. I'll be putting a link down below for Doll Collector's Place. That's my Facebook group program that I started. So if anybody wants to put a picture up, let me know how they're doing. Go there, become a member, and you can post all you want.